Controversy is brewing in Kenya over the safety and efficacy of cough syrup sold over the counter to children below the age of 12 in the country. CJ Rose Wangui blames the government for not being proactive in informing the public about the dangers of the drug.
This is Rose Wangui, a citizen journalist from Kenya, reporting on Instablogs. Mid this week, 2 hospitals announced they were withdrawing cough syrup for children aged below 12 years due to uncertainty over their safety and efficacy. The drugs have also been implicated in the deaths of children in some instances, and parents warned against using them on infants. Parents are now worried and more confused as the government has now stated that the said drug was banned 2 years ago, while its hospital stopped prescribing it 12 years ago, but this was not communicated to other hospitals which have been prescribing the drug to children under the age bracket. It's now apparent that the government was not proactive enough to inform the public of the dangers and secretly stopped stocking the drug in its chemists, which neither cures nor treats colds and coughs in children but sometimes provides relief to the symptoms.
If you want your voice to be heard by millions, let Instablogs be your choice. You can contact us at cj@instablogs.com.